Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share about my experience on how to register and install and also the user experience on the latest launch RFID from the Touch and Go. So the registration is very simple. You just log on to their website and then to register. So after that you will receive another notifications from Touch and Go from the email. So you will get the notification to install. So for my case it's waiting for about 2 months. After 2 months then they arrange me to have an install. For the install, actually you can from the notifications you can choose which place you need to go. So after you choose which place and then which date, you just go to their special installment center, so they will install for you. The installation only take about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you will need to bring some documentations, for example your photostat ICs or your driving license, and then another one is your car registrations cards or your car garant. Another one, if you don't have the garant, then you may have to bring your car insurance, the valid one, so to show them. So after that they will allow you to install. And then for the installation, you can choose to install on the windscreen or on the headlamp, or even the last one is inside the car. So if you choose to install inside the car, you have to cut a hole there allow the sticker to stick on it and then to install. This movement, these installations, because of the tinted, your car tinted may block the RFID to scan through the sticker there. So if you choose to install inside, then you have to cut it off, a hole there, so for them to install. If you choose to install at the windscreen area, you just make sure the wiper won't wipe off the sticker. So just make sure. And then another one, please make sure your car won't get to car wash center or wash your car, because the sticker will peel off if you wash your car in 24 hours. And then also you have to wait for 24 hours to get the RFID to activate your account. Then only you can use the RFID to get through the toll. Well, after the installation, we will get a sticker like this to stick on your windscreen. And then I'm also lucky enough they give me a voucher for me to reload to my e-wallets. So this will bring you to the apps. Well, the apps, you may need to download it from the App Store to your smartphone. They have a few steps you need to go through. The first one, of course, register, log in, and then also will require to top up at the same time, because the apps, your RFID account do not have any balance. Even though you have your Touch and Go card here, the Touch and Go card and the RFID e-wallet is not linked together, so you might need to top up your RFID and to enjoy the RFID. At the same time, the apps actually can also let you to pay your extra bill, your prepaid, your postpaid bill for your phone, for your flight ticket, for your movie tickets, all can pay through the apps. So mind you, the Touch and Go card and the e-wallet is not linked together, so you might have to reload for your RFID and then also your Touch and Go card. Please remember, this is so important. If the RFID fail to work, you may need to use the Touch and Go card to get through the door. Testing time. I have been driving through 3 tolls. First is the Grand Saga Highway in Cheras. Another one is the Kesas Highway in Shah Alam. And then the last one is the Silk Highway in Kajang. At the same time, I also test under the raining conditions. Let's go through the testing video. Okay, so now we are testing on the Grand Saga Highway. This is my first time going through the RFID. So now my 60, I'm in 60, slowing down, 50, 40, 30, 20. Okay, so you have to slow down like 25, 20, 25, only you can go through. So it's quite dangerous. Also, it's quite similar to Smart Tag. So hope they will improve in the future. So now we are going to test another one. Okay, now we are in Kesas Highway. So we are also going to test. Let's see where is the RFID. Oh, okay. Wow, this RFID is quite middle. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's clear. No car. Okay. Wow, the Balang thing is quite near. Wow, it's completely stopped, bro. Oh, almost hit the Balang already. Wow, this is very dangerous. Okay. Okay, now in the morning we are testing on the Silk Highway. Okay, let's see how it's go. Okay, you can use 20 km/h to cross the door, so it's okay, everything is smooth. Now we are testing on Grand Saga Highway again, but this time is with the rain. So let's see whether we got affected by the rain or not. Okay, it's quite a lot of car. Okay, good. No car. Okay. Now 40, 30, 20. Okay. So it seems to work, even though with the water on top. Okay. First is to standardize the barrier design, because as you can see in the video, different door have different design. So this will determine how fast you can go through the toll. So if they set the barrier in front of you or more near to the toll, so you may get slow speed to get through the toll. If you set the barrier more further from the sensors from the toll, so you will get faster or higher speed to get through the door. So this is the first issue. Second is their apps. I hope they can improve their apps to link together for their RFID and then the touch and go cards, which means we can top up through the apps online in everywhere, because to reload this touch and go card is not easy. We have to go through maybe ATM machine, or maybe to the petrol station, or maybe at the toll there. But sometimes it's difficult for us because the machine will be lost up, the first one. The second one will be at the petrol station, will say offline, or their quota is full already. So I hope they can improve the apps, can link together for our touch and go card, and then with our RFID. So let's see in the future. So that's all for my video. If you do like this video, just give a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any problems, can leave your comment below. So, and then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There will be more upcoming video for you to enjoy. Cheers.